Hello guys, today we're going to make this beautiful paracord keychain, or you can use it as a zipper pull or a hanging display for Christmas trees. You can use different kind of colors, or up to you, but for now I will gonna teach you how to do this. Okay, so before we continue, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for the upcoming videos. Okay, let's go. Okay, for this project we need scissors, a lighter, minimum 45 centimeter 550 yellow paracord, minimum 20 centimeter 550 purple paracord. Okay, so up to you what kind of color do you want to use. Okay, so first, for this 45 centimeter paracord, we're going to make a snake knot. Okay, so for making snake knot, you have to hold like this. Okay, and then you have to get this strand that away from you, then you will wrap it on your finger. This is the easiest way of making snake knot. And then this one, the strand that near to you, you have to wrap it above, then under, then inside that loop. Okay, so you have just tighten up, so should be same length. Okay, the bottom. Tighten up, and then so this handle is up to you, how long do you want, so it's up to you. And then the next thing is you will insert this in the middle. Okay, like that. Then you will bend it going above. Okay, so this one should be shorter, so we have to adjust. Okay, so this one, so it's like this. Okay, you will just bend it like this. So the short one is above, then the longer one you will wrap it going to back side. Okay, going to back side, then you have to insert it here. Okay, so you have to insert it here. So it's like this. Okay, then you have to tighten up. This is the back side. Make sure there is no gap. Okay, for a better look. Okay, so this is the front side, this is the back side. It's actually the same. Okay, and now we will make again a snake knot. Okay, same way, you have to get this one, the strand that away from you. This is the near to you, this one away from you. Then you have to wrap it on your finger, including this purple strand. Okay, the strand that near to you, and then this one also from above, including this strand. Okay, including this purple strand that away from you. Okay, and then insert in the loop. Okay, so this is snake knot. We just included this strand, purple strand. Okay, then just tighten up. So for better look, make sure there is no gap. Okay, now after this we have to make another one snake knot. Okay, same way, same procedure. Okay, I'm tightening like this, so to make sure that there is no gap between the nuts. Okay, that is the proper way. And then, so after this, you have to make a knot on the end of each strand. Okay, so just like this. Also on this side, just make a knot. You can add beads also if you want, up to you, on the end. So make sure it's same length. Okay, so it's not the same, we have to adjust. Okay, it's now okay. And then the bottom one, we'll make also a knot. So up to you, the length. Make sure it's same length, both strand. Okay, so it's like that. And then we will just cut it, all the ends. Okay, then melt it using the lighter. Okay, okay, now we have a beautiful keychain paracord. Okay, or you can put on your you can use a zipper pull. Okay, or keychain, or you can make also for like Christmas trees decoration or any kind of decoration. It's up to you. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for the upcoming videos. Okay, thank you. See you to our next video.